All I need is your love tonight, tonight. All I need is your love tonight, tonight. Now all I need.
Solid summer night sky got me feeling high. Your love is like a remedy. Your body feeling right.
So I will be using Swami 1B, the color obviously, and it is by Freetress Equal. Basically, before I start, disclaimer, I'm not a professional. This is like the best that I do to like make my wigs look natural. So yeah, so basically I use a black cap, wig cap, but you can use a brown one. But to make it more, I mean camouflage, to make it like less wiggy, I put on concealer. I create a fake line, and then I put my wig right on top of that, the line on my wig, the parting on my wig right on top of the line. So yeah, basically. And then the trick to making the wig look natural is using baby hairs, in my opinion. So after applying the concealer, I separate like a little baby hairs in the front and I cut it. Yeah, so just make sure you don't cut so much, and medium size, not so long. Yeah, as you can see, I already have some cut, but you can go ahead and cut some more because yeah. And then you can use a scissors. Use scissors preferably, but whatever. Yeah, after that I apply my Eco Styler gel, but you can use any gel. So yeah, so I'm not a professional, so I'm just doing like the best that I can. Like I'm being honest right now. But yeah, so after that, after using the gel, I put on my scarf to like help it hold it and set the baby hairs. Yeah, after like 10 minutes or so, you can remove the scarf, and voila, it basically is that. Yeah. So if you did like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave your comment if you have any question down below, and I'll be willing to answer all of your questions. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you.